Welcome back to Circadian Zen. Today marks day 2 of your 7-day walk of miracles. As you begin your stride today, imagine you are walking through the iconic, historic pathways of Hyde Park in London. Feel yourself stepping onto lush, regal grounds that have held space for both deep stillness and powerful movement for centuries. No matter where your feet actually are right now, we are tapping into that grounded, noble energy. Yesterday, we unlocked the software of abundance. Today, we are activating your birthright of magnetic confidence. Over the next few minutes, we are shifting your frequency from the vibration of seeking approval to the unshakable authority of knowing your worth. Let's check your body. Unclench your jaw. Roll your shoulders down and away from your ears. Lift your chin just a fraction of an inch, parallel to the horizon. Open your chest slightly. You are opening your heart to the world. Feel your spine tall, resilient, and proud. You are not just a person walking through an environment. You are the destination. With every step I take, I ground my confidence. I walk with my shoulders back, heart open, and head held high. I am aligned with my purpose and confident in my path. My posture reflects the strength and certainty within me. I move gracefully and intentionally through space. My breath feeds my confidence with every inhalation. Now, notice your connection to the earth. You belong in spaces of growth. You belong in spaces of peace. You do not need to prove your value to anyone. I am inherently worthy of love, respect, and all good things. My worth is not dependent on external validation. I trust my intuition and the wisdom that flows through me. I am unapologetically myself, and that is my superpower. I radiate confidence because I embrace my own unique light. Check your pace. If you are rushing to match the speed of others, slow down. Find your rhythm. Confidence isn't loud or hurried. It is a quiet, steady knowing. My energy is magnetic, drawing positive opportunities towards me. I effortlessly attract people who resonate with my true self. I speak my truth with clarity and attract respect. My presence alone is inspiring and empowering to others. I am a magnetic force for good in the world. Now, soften your stride. Let go of forced effort. You do not have to struggle to be magnetic. It is who you are when you simply decide to be yourself. I release the need to strive. I allow magnetism to flow. I trust the timing of my life and release all worry. I move through challenges with graceful ease and confidence. I am open to the flow of abundance in all areas of my life. In these final minutes, feel the physical shift in your energy. You are standing taller. Your stride is heavier with purpose. You have reclaimed your space. Your walking reset is complete, but the magnetic field you just built remains. Carry this empowered posture and the calm, royal energy of Hyde Park into the rest of your day. Watch how the world moves differently around you, simply because you decided to own your worth. Thank you for walking with Circadian Zen. I will see you tomorrow for day 3, where we learn to master the art of effortless flow. Be whole, be still, be magnetic.